So comes with this circular strap, and I wasn't sure how to install it, so I think it's looking at the pictures on the Amazon. It is like this. Consider my arm the branch, so you will go around, put it through here like this, and then at this end you would put this thing and then lock it. Like this. So if you look at the pictures on Amazon, it looks like this. They have this picture, and they also have this picture like this hanging like this. But if you look at the instructions, the pictures that they have are slightly different. It seems like in this case they just give you like a string, like not circled, not closed. So I went by the pictures on Amazon. You should double check, triple check that that's what they mean, but this is how I did it. Just make sure that you read the instructions, and that's it.
He's not getting me. He almost got me.
Get ready. Woo! Good job.
I want to try it again.
Go get that Courtney Chelsea's box.